Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from St. Laurent that I bought myself for Christmas and it finally arrived. I'm so excited. So if you'd like to see what I got, stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite handbag, your favorite fragrance, jewelry, or just about anything that makes you feel a little bit better because you deserve it. You really, really do. So I'm doing this on my lunch break. I literally just signed for a package. I'm so excited. It finally arrived. I've been waiting for it for a few days now. I was able to go up to the store and do the in-person experience and shop with a sales associate up there. But unfortunately, when I went to check out, we noticed that the item had a few imperfections, so the associate offered to go ahead and order it for me because it didn't have any more in stock, and it's a rather unusual color or unique color. In fact, I don't even think it's the seasons, but I'm not that familiar with St. Laurent, so enlighten me if you know. I don't really care if it's this season, last season's, or 5 years ago. When I saw it, I just about died. So I'm totally excited. Anyway, so I went up there to Portland to pick up my LV order that I placed online, and while I was there I did some other shopping in that store. Wasn't really feeling the general ambiance. My sales associate was very lovely in LV, but it just didn't seem like they were had the time to work with me. So even though I had some questions, I was just like, well, you know, let me just get the item that we worked out, which ended up being a bandeau, and then I picked up my online order, which was just some fragrance, and made it on my little merry way. And as I was clicking my way out from the store, I eyed St. Laurent across the mall and just went, you know, what the heck, I'm here. I had great parking. It was considered the holiday still, so walked over and just was like, let me see what they got. And the store was completely empty. It was like the sales associates were there just hovering for clients. So the first one in line jumps over and, how can I help you? And how are you doing today? And just over the top, you know, kindness, really sweet. I'm sure they were not thrilled that I wasn't willing to buy a full-on bag, but I was just like, I know what I want. I would like to try these envelope clutches and the Toy Lulu clutch. This is specifically what I'm looking for in this style and this hardware. And I guess he looked slightly impressed that I knew exactly what I wanted. And I told him, I said, from what I could tell, this particular one was not in stock, but, you know, let me just try on what you have and we'll go from there. He was very kind and made a lot of small talk, which was lovely. And in the end, we ended up having to order the item because there was a little bit of wear and tear and such. But anywho, it's here now. It was a great experience in store. I'm really excited. I've already opened at least the box, so you don't have to worry about me dealing with the paper, or not the paper, the tape to get that open. But my receipt is there. And that's another thing. They're already emailing me with like care instructions and a follow-up thank you email and all of these things that I really haven't quite received from Louis Vuitton. And granted, I don't do a whole lot of, I mean, I shop from Dior and Dior follows up, but I haven't bought any of their, other than I bought a scarf from them. I haven't bought any of their handbags online, so I don't know how that is. But as far as their beauty and fragrances, they're very customer service oriented at Dior. So it reminded me of Dior service. So I was just like, oh, well, interesting. So this is the packaging, a whole lot of black tissue paper. And then we've got the box in there. Ooh, a little bit heavy. More black tissue paper down there at the bottom. So I can put that down, and it looks like this is like a stretchy type of bow on there, because there's the back there, so no custom tied or anything like that. So we will take that off. I do like the box though, it's really pretty. It's very well made. I will do that. It's so interesting how monochromatic it all is. It's really kind of hidden. But there's a little sticker on there with the Saint Laurent item. Oh good, I can slide it out. That's intact. So a nice black dust bag. Gives me the Dior feel. So a nice thick fabric. Linen-y? I think it's kind of linen. Yeah, it's a nice thick dust bag. So comment down below if you think you know what color it is. It's probably pretty obvious if you know me, but you're probably thinking it's black. It's not. It's so far from black. This is it. I was so excited when I saw it. I was just like, oh, what is that? It's the exact same color as my iPhone. I'm not really a gold hardware kind of person, but I just didn't care. I was just like, oh, what? When did this come out? When did you have it? I have no idea. I just started asking questions like, I need it. Oh yeah, that's definitely new. I tried the one in the store and it was not wrapped, and the one in the store had scratched hardware, even though there's no sticker on this hardware. It definitely looks new. It's got some additional padding in there. Oh, it's so lovely. It's kind of tight, but there is a back pocket back here on the envelope, and then one kind of full opening, and then there's just this one hook for the wristlet, and I'm going to take off the wristlet. I'm going to attach a long strap. I have a few from Amazon, so a long gold strap from here, and then the other part I'm going to put here and make that into a shoulder / crossbody bag with that one. I think I've shown it to you before. So on that, I'll link the video, the bag, where I was saying restyling or updating my classic Louis Vuitton bags. I have a bunch of really basic Amazon chains that I've used and purchased from Amazon, and I've got a couple from Dress Up Your Purse as well. The Felicia chain would look really good with this as well, so I'll maybe pull that one out and check that one out. But I really wanted this particular stitching, so they had two different versions of this particular item. This particular type of seaming right here was not on one version, so I think it was all the chevron across, and I really liked the way this particular styling looked on it, so that just drew my eye. And I went ahead and tried on the black. So originally I was looking at the all black with black hardware. That was the one I wanted, and they didn't have it in stock that day, so I already knew that I was going in to just look at the size of it and look at the all black in another version and go ahead and place my order anyway. So I knew I wasn't coming home with a bag that day, but I didn't think I was going to go with color. But when I saw this, it seemed, and at the time I was wearing a gray jacket and I believe a purple sweater. It seemed a lot more neutral, so kind of a gray toned or a neutral purple, so not plummy, not warm, not too cool. It was just the right shade of purple that I was just like, this is it. This is the bag. So I need to have this in my life. Love the wristlet that comes with it anyway. So that I might do it in that, in the way it's designed to just have take it off right now, to have the wristlet like that and worn as the clutch, as it's designed to do. But I think I'm probably going to more often than not wear it as a shoulder bag or crossbody bag with the other chains that I have. And again, it's all leather in that area. The interior is black. Let's see if I can get in there. I really like it. I thought it was really pretty. So I can get it to close. So this is my first YSL item, and I'm so happy, and they were so kind. I'm really thrilled. I'm really thrilled. I don't think that I was treated as nicely. Maybe I was. I'm trying to remember. My Felicie was the first one I bought at Louis Vuitton, and I was more in a hurry that day than they probably would have spent more time on me, but I hopped off a train and needed to get back on the train ASAP. So I was trying to complete my transaction really fast, which maybe seemed suspicious at the time, but I was, basically going from a conference and back to another town for work. And I had no time. But while I was like, I am here. I can pop into Louis for 15 minutes. I got to get this done. Do you have this in stock? Bought it and, got my stuff done. And, but yeah, the follow-up, I don't remember the follow-up being this kind and this thorough with LV after that purchase. And even with my bag from Hawaii that I bought and other items, I don't recall it being this courteous. So anyway, yeah, I'm really intrigued. So I hope to go back in the store again and check out some other items. I really, I will be doing a wish list video here shortly of all the things that I'm considering. And there are 2 YSL items on my wish list right now that I'm considering. So we'll talk about those when the time comes. But this is my new addition, and I'm so happy about it.